So today I'm going to bring you a very quick review on this 8-inch square hanging bird feeder. This is actually our second one, and it has turned out to be a really good item. The birds and the squirrels love it. Now it's going to hang about 1.5 feet, roughly 17 inches down from the hook. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of assembly to this thing. So you're going to get your chain. These hooks are just simply going to hook on to these hooks in here. So once you've got the chains all connected, just pull it straight up. The bird feed will sit in here, and then you can hang it by the hook either on a tree, on a rail, or what have you. So what we did here is, you can see we hung it off a banister, off a railing, like that. There's the hook, and then this is how it sits and hangs. Very simple bird feeder. Works strong. I've seen squirrels sitting in here. I've seen 3-4 birds sitting in here all at one time.